Okay, here we go. First, I want to say hello there, Mark, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. My name is Jeff, and my company is Belanzer Solutions. And the point of the video is to show you how to increase the value of your company with your online presence. Real quickly, I just want to go over three key factors that are needed to rank your business. One of them is content, you have backlinks, and citations. Now, understand every time you type into the search bar here with Google, these are the keywords that you're typing in, and Google uses that to find websites that have the most keywords in that is relevant to the content. Search engine optimization, or SEO. Google crawls millions of websites daily looking for content that are relevant to these keywords, and that's how they used to categorize them. And that's part of the ranking system and how it's ranked on Google. You want 1,500, 2,000 words of content, depending on your competition. So I typed in auto repair, North Charleston, and we have you right here, first page. That's awesome. We have a AAA, that's national. But then we have Odahas, if I say that right, Odahas. They're also here, and I wanted to use them as an example as a competitor. Of course, you have the map pack right here in the map pack. How many times have you Googled restaurant near me, gas station near me, and that shows up here. That comes with your Google Business Profile and citations or referring domains. That's anything that has your name, address, and phone number that's linked to your Google Business Profile, and then that's added into directories. Citation directories include Yelp, Angie, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages. So that's how this ends up here. Backlinks are other websites linking to your website. It's like an endorsement. Google uses that to trust your business and build its popularity. So when I look at your website, and you're on the first page, I have this tool that I can use. It's called Ahrefs, and it gives me the information with your backlinks, your referring domains, and your organic keywords. Now, content and keywords for search engine optimization are what's key in the role here today with you. Looking at your competitor's website, their backlinks, their referring domains, and their keywords. So 683 keywords over here to your 476. Now your keywords generate traffic. So the 89, I believe this is a month, 89 a month traffic from your keywords versus their 419 visitors, more exposure, customers, views to their 683. So the keyword and the content is really a factor here with you, and that will generate a lot more exposure to you. Now let's take a quick look. Let's see what he's got going on. Just give you a breakdown real quick. These are the top keywords that he's using for his area. Audi auto repair, Volkswagen starting problems. And this here is the volume per month that these keywords get searched per month. So what this basically breaks down to is every time somebody types into the Google search bar and his keywords are in his website, he is getting twice the exposure that you are. So that's twice as many potential clients. So that being said, I'm hoping that you can understand how a well-built website works and how search engine optimization works and how the keywords play a part. It's outstanding that you're right here on the first page. That's wonderful. There's really not too much I can say. I just wanted to give you some insight on the keywords in the search engine optimization and the content, which could definitely change your exposure or generate that much more traffic to you with keywords being added and restructuring that a little bit. So the content and the backlinks and the citations, when they come together, obviously that starts to outrank your competitors, generates more views. More views is potential clients, clients is customer, and that just generates more revenue. And there's a value in there. So just wanted to show you that. Hope you understand the importance of that. And that, I appreciate you taking the time to listen to this today. If you find yourself wanting some more info or something that might be realistic for me and your business to work with you, that would be great. Just give me a call. I appreciate it. And I hope you have a great day.